The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. The big news, Apex. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday, my 2-year streaming anniversary. Hope everyone had a great night and ready for a great day. Non-farm payroll day as well. We have lots to talk about. Trader evaluation sales coming up that have been announced. Earn a trade going absolutely wild. Bunch of other things on this great Friday. Like I said, 2-year trading anniversary. I knew I forgot something. Give me a second. I forgot to bring up the chat. Oopsie. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Kevin. Hope you're doing well. I'm looking at my chat on my phone. I need to get it brought up here. Give me 1 second. There we go. Now I pop that out. Give me a second. Doing a bunch of other things, including making sure the webcam was working. That I forgot to do a couple of the basic things today. There we go. Morning, Juan. How are you? And now we get my music started, and then we're ready to go. Okay. Markets overnight. Dipped and then ripped. ES low and was 45.16.75. Got up to 45.34, so about 18 points of range. NQ dipped to 15.502. Looks like high was last hour 81. So about 79 points of range. I'm doing very good, thank you. Copper ripping, new daily high since I moved these yellow lines about half an hour ago. And we have about 140 ticks of range there. Gold also made a slightly new daily high. About 6 points of range there. It's smaller range, but again, trying to get up toward that 2000. Ultra Bond. Not much of a range at all. It's only about 12 ticks, so not even half a point. Crude oil been still flying up above, got above 84. Currently sitting at 84.64, got up to almost 85. And looking about, so it's about 110 ticks of range. Natural gas is flying. And Bitcoin depressed. Yesterday, the SEC announced that they were delaying their decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs, and that started the downfall. It's just struggling to get back above 26,000. So that's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Non-farm payrolls in 25 minutes. One of the big four of the news reports each month. Not sure if we have any other news today. Let me check that. Non-farm payrolls, Canadian GDP quarter over quarter. It's also being announced at the same time. At the same time as the bell, we have Canadian S&P manufacturing. 15 minutes after the bell, we have U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final, and we also have a Fed speaker. And then at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. So we got a pretty good slate of news today. And we're rising up here. And Q moving up. So the blue sky trading competition starts, but you can't sign up to it after the market closes today. So won't be able to. I will trade it until Sunday. I will be trading that, and that will become my main thing for at least a couple weeks, or unless I blow it sooner. But we'll think positive. Gonna try and just follow my plan 100% with no hesitation because there's really not risking anything. But again, y'all should join the Blue Sky trading competition, especially since Blue Sky has uh, all their accounts on sale for 50% off for Labor Day. Static growth account is a great static account. Thank you, JC. Good morning. How are you doing? Awesome. Glad you've been with me for the last 10 months and looking forward to many, many more. Quick adjustment to the top banner. Now, I could have taken this blue candle. I don't know. I always hesitate to take things before non-farm payrolls. Moved up too. We've also, this is basically our top here of the day of the overnight. So, not really doing that. I still can't believe I've been doing this for 2 years. I am. I never thought I'd be a live streamer to begin with. I still can't believe I ever decided to start live streaming. And the fact that it's been 2 years now is just mind blowing. Uh, they have a live sim and then they go to live after you make so much on live sim. No fees on the live sim. The monthly CME data fees for the live account. By the way, there is one. We might talk about this a little bit later too, but one concerning bit of news. Yesterday, one of the biggest forex prop firms got shut down by U.S. and Canadian regulators. Um, okay, sorry, my mouth might be moving fast today. For Blue Sky, when you first pass, you get put on a live sim funded, and there's no fees for that, no setup fees, no PA fees, no data fees, no fees. I believe that's limited to the amount that whatever the profit target was on your evaluation, and then after that you have to move to an actual live account, and then there are data fees. It's the exchange fees charged by the CME. It's not a fee to Blue Sky. It's an actual fee to the CME. That's like 120 a month, something like that, per exchange. So yeah, my Forex funds, one of the biggest Forex prop firms, got shut down yesterday. No one's sure why, but they have some sort of hearing on the 11th to see if they can reopen on September 11th. So that's a concern, although no, everyone's saying it's just something to do with them. It might just be a Forex thing because technically a lot of these Forex prop firms are doing CFDs, and that's illegal in the United States. Hello, I'm Matt, and thank you. Hope you're doing well today. In Forex, I mean, I do think there are good Forex companies, and I don't know about Forex. As for CFDs, they're illegal in the United States, but they seem to be illegal in most other places. And I don't know about Canada. My Forex funds is based in Canada, so I guess it was a combination of both Canada and the United States that shut them down. I do think Forex, I mean, futures prop firms are much in much better standing than Forex. 16 minutes till non-farm payrolls. Ugh, excuse me while I hiccup. Pulling back a bit, hugging those bands. So my 2 year anniversary is actually tomorrow, but like I said, those guys at the CME just wouldn't open for me. You would think they would do something nice and just open up one Saturday for me, but nope. But I started on Twitch. Someone told me it was a better idea, and I don't know who that was or why I decided to start on Twitch. It was about a month later that I got introduced to software that allowed me to both stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time that I launched YouTube. And then Twitch, I did very well on Twitch at first, and then it kind of died. So I ended up dropping. I ended up dropping Twitch at about April of 2022. The first streams, the quality of them compared to now really were bad. I had no idea how to stream when I started streaming. So we await non-farm payrolls. For those of you that entered the contest for the 25K Blue Sky account, be doing that drawing probably about 10:30 Eastern, right before or maybe as I go on camera. I need to figure out exactly how to do that. It's the first time I ever used Gleam, so I gotta figure out exactly how I pick a winner. We'll do that. I mean, I think it's just a button I need to press. Thank you, John. Appreciate it. There's like 172 entries on that. I don't think I want to write that much. Coming back down, did break there. Looking like it wants to come down here before non-farm payrolls. Hey, John, you've been with me since almost the beginning. No, I meant 100. The contest entries. The contest's been running for a week. There's only 14 people here on the stream right now. Still doesn't match the likes though. But hey, John, you didn't have an account with my Forex funds, did you? Yeah. Okay, I thought I remembered that you did have an account, but I wasn't sure if you had something active going. Because for now, they've been shut down. So this is a trigger candle here, but I don't know, 10 minutes till non-farm payrolls. I don't think we're going to do anything. Oh yeah, I guess I got to stop that Nightbot because the entries are done. See. Oh yeah, I gotta stop all the Nightbots. Bolonox sales probably done. Disable. Disable. Okay. I'll have to reset up the Nightbots over the weekend. Nice move down here. This is a 5-point candle, not a huge candles, but. So Earn the Trade surprised everybody by announcing a 70% off sale, their biggest sale ever, and it runs the entire month. Yeah, but the United States, it said the United States was in on it too. Hey, Mr. G, how you doing? Well, welcome to my 2-year Streamaversary. Yeah, it's based in I know, yeah, it was based in Canada, but see, it's here somewhere. Uh, they said a provincial securities regulator in Canada and a commodities regulator in the United States. So I'm assuming that's the CFTC. Issue orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in our bank account. I'll run out and buy 2 of those, Mr. G. Or, Mr. G, is this what you're telling me you're gifting me one as an anniversary present? As for the changes that are in the trade, they are now charging an activation fee. So basically, they're copying Top Step, but hopefully this means that they're going to copy other things as well, and like maybe reduce the amount of trading days and maybe get rid of that daily loss limit. uh, yeah, I thought that was number 2. FTMO is number 1, right? I just hope this doesn't spread to futures props. That's all I'm worried about. So is anybody going to YOLO non-farm payrolls? Lots of exciting stuff this month. Quick pop back up here with about 5 minutes to go. Good. That's an awesome trend to see, Mr. G. That would be that would be awesome. Oh, nice, John. I never heard of next step. Not that I follow Forex much. It is, but like I said, I'm hoping that it's mostly Forex based. Like I said, Forex, CFDs. I don't know if CFDs are illegal in Canada or not. I know in the United States CFDs are illegal, and most of these props are dealing with CFDs on the Forex side. I will say that for futures, the companies that are connected to an actual FINRA um, registered broker are much safe position than a company like Apex and those that just do sim. So the ones that have like agreements with Tradovate, brokerage, and like Earn to Trade clears through Edge Clear and Advantage. They're a much better ground than something like Apex and Bolonox and those that are majority sim. They do put people live, but I don't even know who they clear with or who they run through. So, Top Step is also would be in the good, with Earn to Trade, Trade Day. If regulation comes down, they're sitting better than the Apexes and the Bolonoxes of the world. Well, I mean, there's other options out there, JC. Top Step is probably just as good or better, although, I mean, yeah, depending how many, it also depends how many accounts you're copy trading too, if you're copy trading at all. Obviously, like Earn to Trade only allows 3 accounts, and they don't allow copy trading. Top Step allows 3 accounts, and they do allow copy trading. Um, Even OneUp now. OneUp announced last week that they're allowing 3 accounts now, and they're another one that would be in good shape. That's good for Indonesia and good for farmers. We are less than a minute to go to non-farm payrolls. I want to thank everyone for joining me today on my Streamaversary. Oh wow, you may want to consider diversifying just a bit. I don't think there's anything to worry about now. Most of this type of stuff moves very slowly, so I don't think there's anything to be concerned about like this month. But maybe you might want to think about diversifying into a Top Step or Earn to Trade or something. Just to It's just a thought. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Oh, boom. Boom. Oh my god. That yellow would definitely not have worked. Wow, look at all those alerts. Boom. Because that would have killed. Wow. That shot up by 17 and shot all the way down 40 points, and now it's back up. And now look at it run. 41 points up. 50, 40, yeah, 50, 53. Just hit 627, which means we're now higher than any point since sometime in July, a couple months ago. Let's go take a look at the numbers. Non-farm payrolls actual 187K, forecast was 170K, so that was a beat. Canadian GDP quarter over quarter annualized actual negative 0.2. Ooh, they expected 1.2 to the positive. Canadian GDP actually contracted. John, work on that. Your GDP contracted. U.S. unemployment rate, actual 3.8. They expected 3.5. That's a pretty big beat. I mean, a pretty big miss. That's going to make the market think that uh, they're not going to continue to raise rates, which is probably why you're seeing this big green here. We'll have to get RJ on that as well. And Kevin, isn't Kevin also from Canada? I seem to remember that. ES up 10 points on this candle, Dow up 55. Look at that go. Boom. So that yellow would have needed a 20-point stop of 20 or better, bigger than a 20-point stop loss in order to have tried to yellow that. Let's see what everything else is doing. Oh, look at gold. New high day as it hits 1980. Good year. Phillies won the World Series that year. Ultra Bond all wound up there. Hit a new bottom and top for the day on that candle. Crude oil really doesn't care. Copper new high day, not exception, not amazingly. Agriculture doesn't care. Bitcoin didn't like it. The Russell having some fun there too. All I wanna do is have some fun. And pulling back here, so we got up to 629. We've pulled back to 606 so far. Rising up. Completely outside the band here on this candle, so that gives me pause and jumping in here. But we'll see where we go. Being a bit cautious. I want to have a green day for my streaming anniversary. And no, I don't mean like the band performing. Although that would be cool. New high day, 634. Look here. Where higher ES is higher than yesterday, so now let's see. Let's look. Let's go back in time here. Turn back time. And we're now higher than we've been since August 2nd. So about a month. All right, I'm Ed. See you in a bit. Okay, I definitely agree with you there, John. And how did you do on that? Did you didn't get screwed on that, did you? As we continue to watch NQ come up. Excellent, excellent. We are pulling back now. So we got up to 648, pulled back by about 14. Yeah. Now, I will say though, John, and I agree with you about, and I've heard horror stories about MT4. That said, I've been in situations like that during news on NinjaTrader too. That's why a lot of these firms don't want you trading news because the book gets so thin that it's hard to get out of position. Now, like Ninja didn't freeze on me. It just didn't fill me until like 50 points later. We are seeing the red candle pull back. Purple candle on the ES. Thank you, Burrow. I appreciate that. Hope you're doing well today. Or you could come to the dark side, John, and start trading futures. I know your algo doesn't work on, but so I'm kidding around. But is MT5 much better? I haven't heard many glowing reviews about any of the MTs. So, like guys, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but CFT announced yesterday that Take Profit Trader is giving away 10 accounts through him. I want to check his channel if you want to enter that. Robin noticed some weird stuff in their contract that I'm not sure I like. I gotta review it. Red candle here. 45 minutes till the bell. It's just hard to believe there's only one platform out there for Forex. I mean, I see on NinjaTrader where NinjaTrader can be used for Forex. It's like I've seen it on the list. FX board, FX correlation thing, so on and so forth. So I'm not sure why. I guess it's a cost thing. I don't know. Big red candle here. 15. Wow, 15 points. ES is down 6.25 on this. I went short on ES. I got in late as usual. On 3 micros, I got in late by about 3 ticks. See if it goes. It looks like it's gonna bounce up and knock me out. It's only I mean it's a 2 point stop, I think. I can't even tell where my stop is. Well, that's where it is. So small. It did not work. Pop back up. Oh, only a $35 loss. No biggie. Yeah, well, NQ's coming back down. The ES is showing some strength, as is the Dow. As is the Dow. Remember, no stream on Monday for Labor Day. I'll be back Tuesday, and then we'll be trading the contest account for Blue Sky. I'm still going to be trading the regular Blue Sky account, but kind of in the background. We are going to be aggressive with that contest account. And of course, I'm going to be spending some time over the weekend charting. Rising back up. That's excellent, John. Excellent. Getting back up to the highs. In fact, it just touched the high from this candle and this candle now. Trying to break it. Breaking up is. So let's see what else is going on. Gold pulled back, but still rising now. Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's still trying to figure out what it wants to do with its life. Crude opens up here in about 9 minutes. It's heading up. Nothing too exciting yet. Quan. Uh, I know I forget how to pronounce your last name, and I apologize. Quan, I see you subscribed about 20 minutes ago. If you're still here, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining. Feel free to say hello in the chat. That goes for everybody. Remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. Or just join the camaraderie we have here at MightyOxTrading. Another purple candle back down here, pulling back. Last year, right before my first streaming anniversary, we hit 1,000 subscribers. We're a couple subscribers over. Growth has slowed some. We're up to 1581 as we sit now. Correction, 1582. But that's okay. We have a great community here. I like that. Thank you, David. Appreciate that. Hey, thanks, Luis. Hey, Crypticon. At about 10:30 Eastern, I'll be announcing the winner of the Blue Sky contest and I'll actually turn on my webcam for the first time this year to say hello. I did that last year. Yes, and it'll open they're opening it up after the close today, Crypticon. So the contest will be open at 5 p.m. Eastern. Do not have to be present to win. As long as you signed up to the Gleam IO giveaway thingy uh, over the past week, you're eligible to win. What's cool about using the Gleam thing for the contest is there's no way to manipulate it. A lot of times, you know, when people do these, giveaways or whatever, everyone wants to try and say, you picked that person, they're your favorite, you cheated, so on and so forth. You decided a winner beforehand. There's no way to do that with Gleam, at least not that I'm aware of. ah. Well, I know Chef was making sure he was getting his those daily entries every day, so he probably has the most entries in. At one point, he was like 15% of the entries. By the way, CFT also did a giveaway for for a Blue Sky account. He did for the Static Growth account. And I believe he's announcing his winner in about 3 minutes. I don't think he's doing it live though, so they'll need to watch for the video. Don't leave me. So we are just over a half an hour away from the bell. I don't know. I think he's just probably going to do a video recording it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, probably YouTube. But I don't think he's going to do it live. I think he's probably doing it on a video and going to post the video. It's my guess. I'll be announcing around 10:30 Eastern, which is also when I'll be turning on my camera to say hi for the first time this year. Last year I only ever had the webcam on twice. Once was for the streaming anniversary, and once was like the day before Christmas or day before Christmas break. So only one small loser so far this morning. No other trades. Choppiness right now from NFP. Top of the hour. See what crude's doing as its market opens. Ooh, big move up before to a new daily high. Hello, Brian. How you doing? Oh, waiting for something. So far, hasn't been the easiest day to trade. That's okay. I mean, would have been easy if I just decided to hit the long button, but you know. Coming down. I need to do that as well. Not hit the gym, but start exercising. Oh, wow. Ultra Bond just died. Let's see. Get down to 128.11. All right, and okay. We'll keep an eye on that. Give me 1 second. Gotta get my music restarted. There we go. Hanging out here. Market's like sideways. Uh, I mean, so my last name starts with OX, and I used to always hate my last name. Uh, Obviously, in school, kids, big dumb ox, oxy 10, oxymoron, etc. And eventually, I just started changing it and decided to go with MightyOx, and I've kind of run with it. Yeah, well, I was the shy fat kid. I'm still the shy fat adult, but hey, Antonio, welcome. Come on, I need a couple of good trades for my streaming anniversary. Streamaversary. It's been hard to spell that. Streamaversary. I've had to think. Thanks, man. The contest winner will be announced around 10:30 Eastern. Blue candle back up. Not sure I like it though. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. Uh, there's like 172 entries. But remember, there's multiple entries per person, so I'm not sure how many individuals. I think it actually tells me. I can look in the stats then. Or long. Three micros. Let's see if we can get back up to the high of day. "22 people participated, 175 total entries. So it didn't exactly have the biggest amount of people, but eh. Nice. Yes, it is. And I thank Blue Sky for sponsoring it, giving me the account to give away. So it looks like we got up to the high of this candle here on this one and then pulled back again. 649, 648.25. Pull back down to my entry. Yeah, Blue Sky is a great company. Josh is awesome to talk with and deal with. Yes, a micro three, aim with three micros, John. Not liking the looks of it now though. And both of them are pulling back. Welcome back, Ahmad. I've just been talking. I'm in a trade now that's going against me, and talking about the contest some. Sounds like Top Step's getting a little worried about regulation too. Hey, CFT. Yeah, there is. You remembered to bring the punch and pie, right, CFT? That was what I assigned you to bring. CFT into his house. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Top Step has a live channel now. And that's the fact that Top Step has several big live streamers and they're now competing against them kind of doesn't make sense to me, but uh, good morning, Ace. Under the influence of what, Ace? Oh, um, yes. CFT, did you announce your winner? I'm gonna assume it wasn't me since I didn't get any notification. Hey, Robin. Good to see you. All right. Thank you, Robin. Yeah, I got a bunch of videos I need to do this weekend with all these trader deals and earn the trade going crazy. I'll be announcing mine about 10:30 Eastern, right before I turn on the webcam. LSD, do you really want him to compete against me now? Come on. No, kidding. Sorry, the raffle's been canceled. I'm giving it to Robin. No, kidding, kidding, kidding. Don't get the pitchforks and torches. Well, yeah, sorry, Ace. That I do it like when the action from the trading and the bell kind of dies. Wish Matt Morocco could be here. Miss Matt. Oh yeah, well I remember Ace that you can always watch this later as well. I don't take the streams down; they're all available to be watched. You could go back and watch like all 700 streams if you wanted to, or 500 or whatever it is. My very first YouTube stream is still up on the channel somewhere. No, Matt's not in here. I said I miss Matt. I wish he could be here. Remember everyone popping in? Please hit that like button. Excuse me. Please hit that like button. We're back to my entry until IMAD pointed it out and it got scared and went back the other way. We are about 11 minutes until the bell. Ultra Bond. Oh yeah, Ultra Bond's continuing to fall. JC's looking for an entry. That's a good. So this would have been a great to take, but I don't think I would ever take that candle. That looks like a syringe. That candle going back up there, that'd been good. Down 3 ticks from where JC wants to enter. Yeah, you're right. That's correct, Ace. Yeah, what's GC doing? Yeah, GC's pulling back as well. And crude made another new high of the day. Got above 85, pulled back down now. And there we go, back to my entry. I'm mad, don't say a word. I'm kidding. Nice rise up here. Let's see if we can get ahead of steam here. Well, yeah, with one micro, there's no reason not to. I'll probably, if I'm still in this trade at the bell, I'll probably close out beforehand. Target is at the high day. 653 3/4. Up, fast scalping? Yes. Uh, you mean like a 10-second trade? Yeah, they have no restrictions on that. And sorry, Family Chan, I missed your question before. I don't think we're gonna see a problem in futures, but with the in my forex fund situation. But I mean, I do think eventually we're gonna see some sort of regulation come to the industry. I just I don't think it's gonna happen quick. My guess is this is a forex thing at this point, but it's something to keep an eye on. But yeah, I've never seen anything from Blue Sky about any problem with trades like that. I'm doing all right. Well, where you been? Are you just not able to get on anymore this time of day, or did you find someone better? No. There we go, rising up. Can it get back up to the high day before the bell? That's the question. That's the kind of hard-hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Okay, that makes sense. And that, some people, they need that focus. And, I've been told by a lot of people that if I stop streaming and stuff, that I'll be more successful. But I don't think that's true because I make the same mistakes when I'm not streaming as I do when I am streaming. And I think it actually helps me focus more. But everybody is different. Some people, oh yeah, look at that. Target hit. Big boom up. 10 points. Well, definitely stop in and say hi when you have a chance, Family Channel. I definitely like seeing you. But always do what's best for you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we're up 50 bucks. Excellent ace. And I Matt, did you take your profit or are you still in the trade? Yeah, quick pullback after getting up to 661. 5 minutes till the bell. Wow. Talk about a rubber band just snap back. He said he's just focusing on his journey and finds being in a YouTube to be distracting. We have news for today. Obviously, non-farm payrolls is the big one, but we have more. We have at the bell Canadian S&P manufacturing. At 9:45 Eastern, U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI final and a Fed speaker. And at 10 o'clock, U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. Good morning, RJ. Thank you, David. I appreciate that very much. I hope to see a lot of people be successful over the next year. I want us all to rise up. Hmm. I thought maybe you'd be more into selling mangoes and warning people not to try to run with them. Do many people go to the beach for breakfast? One minute to go. It's one micro, I'm at. Is it really that emotional? Wow, Ace. Here comes the bell on the 2-year streaming anniversary. Ding 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 ding. Remember, Ace, you can't stop him out if he doesn't have a stop. Hey, chef. It's not really moving fast here at all. Well, that's just kind of a muted open so far. There we go. Now it's going down 13 points. It's actually giving me a short signal here, but it's running right into that upward trending band. And that signal went away. Ooh, blue candle now. It's giving me a signal the other way. Everything's up. Even yeah, so today, everything's going in the same direction. Usually the Dow's going opposite. Dow's up 31, ES is up 2.25, NQ is up 10. NQ is now stretching the entire length of the Bollinger Bands. It's like it's there holding the mouth open of this monster. Give the monster an eye of a smiley face. Yes, I'm silly. There we go. Can't tell it's a smiley face. Now it just says an eye. This is the hard-hitting analysis you get from MightyOxTrading. Putting eyes on Bollinger Band monsters. Alright. What did UB do? UB did not get down to JC's entry yet. Could still. Alright, 545. Ooh, yeah, that's a nice candle now. How big is that candle total? 16 to 52. Ooh, that's huge. That pulling up now. short 2 micros. Big stop on this, about 30 points. So I'm risking about $120. I have my target down at VWAP. Yep, coming right back up. It was a dangerous trade because of banging right into those Bollingers. We'll see what happens. Yep, that's John Burrell. Yes. Doobie doobie doo. So you put your stop at high day, I meant. Yep, not looking good. Dow up 50, ES up 3. Opening 5-minute candle will close here shortly. Oh, wow. Look at that. Don't ever become a suicide counselor, Ivan. Pushing down here. 600. Can it break through 600? Wow, it did. Beautiful. Beautiful. I didn't even measure this out. I just put the target at VWAP. It's about a 1-to-1 if it gets there. But I thought that made sense. Although it's outside the band now, so I'm thinking about just taking it off here. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll try to hit the target. Boom! That, my friends, was a 33-point winner. We are up 182.08 on the day. Now, the actual trade, let's see, hold on. If I was shooting for 1.2 to 1, and I do find that maybe using natural, resistance as support for targets might be better, but let's see. The stop would have been 44.75. So let's see. Oops, yeah, did I put that in the wrong spot? No, I'm confused. What did I do here? What did I enter? Okay, so this was the actual. Duh. I'm an idiot. Try that again. So I should have been shooting more for like right around there, which was around 582. I got out at 588, so it was close enough. You can see it's shooting down even before, gotten all the way down to 562. Big move down on the ES as well, down 10 points on this candle, and the Dow is down 84. NQ is now at 15,564. And check to make sure you're at the highest possible resolution, Chef. You still in this, IMAD? And Q's now down to 15,555. Next week, you'll probably start seeing me hold things longer. I'll be using multiple mini contracts on the contest account. So you're going to see a slightly different kind of trader, hopefully proving to myself that I can trade. All right. Is that where you think we'll bounce, Chef? Is that what you're saying? Thank you, JC. This candles start forming completely outside the bands. That's usually not a good sign. Then you see we're kind of bouncing a bit. Sometimes it's just enough of a bounce to get back inside the bands. Give it all back. Yes, it did. Wow. That's quite the candle in the 4 hour. And there goes RJ down to 50. Back in. Wait, huh? RJ, you're trading NQ today? I just realized that. Uh, it's at 45. Yeah, we got things selling off. So far, the ES is down like 12 points. The Dow's down about 80, and NQ has dropped. It dropped over 100 points. EMD. And there's 44 for RJ. EMD is popped up big blue and pulling back now. That would have been a great trade to get back, coming back in through those bands. No, that big blue was the open. The over here, this green candle here, that was the news. But this was just the opening candle. It shot up 13 points and it's pulled back now by 9. And Q hanging around 15,540. ES down to 45.27 and the Dow's down to 34,902. 10. No. I need to look at it on a 1-minute chart for the open. I'm at. I'll do a little studying on that too. Still dropping here. We're still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. There's a green candle. All right, good luck, Antonio. Phoenix rising from the ashes. Well, congratulations and congratulations on the trade as well, RJ. Must have been a quickie. Oh wait, you didn't mean that. Okay, there's a big blue candle. We can get rid of this. It's in the way. It was rigged. It was rigged. No, kidding. I think that was close. I'm not sure I would get it right either. I mean, I'm glad I can say it instead of having to type it. Shenanigans. Blue candle back up. 25 points. There's RJ being the English teacher. No. Yeah, I think you got like 15% of the entries, Chef. Pulling back here as this candle's about to close. Ooh, and whoosh, right back down. There's the actual teacher putting out some knowledge. All the way down now to 15,523. So 2 for 3 on the day. Looking for more trades. 45 minutes until we announce a winner on the raffle, and my face appears. By the way, I didn't take it because I was in a trade and then I got out on it. But this was actually a trigger candle. I could have just stayed in that trade and continued on. This was a trigger candle, broke the 20 line on my RTI, so I could have continued on. I didn't, and this candle would have made me soil myself probably as it started giving back. We got down to 518 now. ES got down to 45.27. Dow's bouncing. Dow's leading the bounce so far. If it's going to come back up. Struggling with its 20. Hey Dow, what's your 20? 10-4, good buddy. I want to thank everyone for joining me today on my 2-year streaming anniversary. Remember, feel free to join the chat. See, the chat's pretty active today. And hitting the like button would be appreciated, but not required, because I don't actually know who hits it and who don't. Oh wow, yeah, it's really bottoming out there, JC. So Ultra Bond and the indices going down the same time. Gold About mid-range now. Copper, about mid-range, sending a signal. Ultra bond we just looked at. Crude oil, trying to head back up to highs. So I'm not following my plan here. This is a purple candle. I should have taken it, and I didn't. And you can see it's already down 20, like 17 points, 23 points. My mistake. Next week I will be doing this, taking these every time. Although I admit that I was checking other assets that time, so I kind of missed this purple to begin with. So let's just measure this one out. Boom. If I had taken that as a trigger, only been a 40 point stop, so I would have only been doing a 1 micro. But I laugh, but look at that. It would have been a 1 to 2 easily. It would have been 1 to 5 easy. Could have been a 50-point winner. Yep, we just hit 498, bouncing a little bit around that even number back above 500. So that's why I missed these opportunities. And that's why I'm hoping that next week would be different with trading the contest account where, and also because I'll be trading multiples, I might take one off there and just let one run. Yeah, I mean, obviously we're not going to try and catch a falling knife, but I do feel we are getting close to bouncing. Might be here. Crypticon, no, that's coming up in about 40 minutes, about 10:30 Eastern. And it's not like it's not like it's that wonderful of a thing. All right, good luck, Ace. Crypticon, are you doing the blue sky contest? Yeah, you are. That's right. You were waiting for it to open. Never mind. Stupid question. How's the trading going, Crypticon? Thank you, Crypt. $1,000 is the top prize. LSD, $500 for second place, 200 for third place, and everybody in the top five gets a free funded account. For the Blue Sky Trading Contest. That sounds like trading, Crypticon. Just remember, sizing down Crypticon could mean that the times that it sucks less. And LSD, you need to have the main rule of the contest is you need to have a Blue Sky eval or funded account to participate. But they are all on sale right now for 50% off. I do have a video up on it. Not that you seem to like watch any of my videos. Yeah, I posted a video about it 2 days ago. Not the. No, it wasn't a live. It was a non-live video. But yeah, I thank you for your support. I do also. I do also post non-live content. Remember, I'm not just a pretty live face. I'm kidding with you, LSD. Yeah, but then you have a boss you need to listen to, Crypticon. The Ace, how's that working out for you? I can't tell. I don't know where your entry was. Excellent. Crypticon, I disagree. I think your sizing is an issue. Remember, size matters. Oh yeah, thank you for that reminder, Family Channel. We do have news in 4 minutes. Yep. In just a couple minutes, we have U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. So I took a long on my earn a trade account. 3 micros. We're up nearly $100 in this trade. Got down to 498, Jeff. Look at this. Look at this go. I wish I had taken this on the blue sky. Up 25 points. So with this script, this is what I'm talking about. This is 3 micros, and I'm up $145. Pulling back now. I'm going to close that out there. So, I mean, that was over $100 right there. 20-point trade. That's about $120 profit. Welcome back, Mr. G. I've noticed that, G. I've looked in the past. September seems to always be a crash month. Yep, news coming in 50 seconds. Those blue sky static growth accounts are flying off the shelves. I've sold. There's been 3 people that have signed up with my link in like the past 24 hours. Good question. Uh, I'm not sure there is. Not sure they've announced anything, but let me look. As of right now, the old stuff is still sitting there. I don't know if my codes still work. The 70% off. Pulling down here. Big purple candle from the news. 22 points in the first 10 seconds. It was supposed to end the end of the month, but sometimes they let them go, so I don't know if they're still running. They usually also do a price match to Apex, and Apex is 80% off, but it's not yet showing in my affiliate area. US ISM manufacturing PMI actual 47.6. The forecast was 47 even. So it was a bit of a beat. Awesome. Awesome ace. I assume you got out before that big move down. There we go, Chef. It's heading back down. Back down to 504. Huge 50-point candle down. Oh, now retreating. Touched 500. No, touched 504 and retreated back up to 538. Wow. But if you're interested in Bolinox Crypticon, you can try the codes. I can give you the code and see. You can see if it works. They don't allow me to test my own code. Yeah, RJ got kind of quiet. He took a trade on NQ Ace. He said he didn't like the way his Dow looked, so he took a very good trade on NQ. He joined the dark side. My music stopped. Oh, excellent, Crypticon. Thank you. And are you green, RJ? Nice. Unusual for you to take that many trades in a short time, isn't it? Okay, we're just making sure I didn't lose you. I was gonna have to get John DeFore or Kevin to come find you since they're the Canadian guys. Blue candle here. We got several lines there sitting right above this price action. ES is trying to break above its 20. Oil, new high a day. Things are going to start getting expensive at the pump, and look at natural gas rising as well. Ultra bond just continues to like die. Gold, ooh, new low a day on gold. Big fall. And copper's falling as well. Good old Bitcoin trying to rise back up. Yep, another move back down. Market's all of a sudden not sure what it wants to do again. So real quickly, if anyone's interested in the details of that blue sky trading contest, we'll go over that real quick. I did not. I wish I had, but I'm going to be watching that more next week, John, because I'm going to try and do a couple different assets at this contest. This is the blue sky trading contest. First prize $1,000, second place 500, third 200, and all people in the top 5 win a funded account. It runs the entire month of September. Sign-ups today. The aftermarket closes, and then you can start trading it on Sunday. Runs through the 29th. $9 entry fee, and you have to have a Blue Sky evaluation or a funded account in order to participate. They do have 50% off all their accounts. Blue Sky is a great company if you need an evaluation. Starting balance is 100K. You have a static drawdown, 95K. That drawdown never moves. So if you there's no trailing drawdowns on this at all. It's static. You can take a max position of 5 minis or 50 micros. There's no resets. You blow it, you're done. There's no other rules, no daily loss limits, no consistency rules, nothing like that. So you can trade any way you want, anyhow you want, any size you want, up to five minis or 50 micros. And like I said, it goes all month. Their static growth account, I would really recommend people looking into, especially if you have a little bit of an issue with risk management and sizing, because you start off that evaluation with, first of all, the static drawdown. It's a great price for a static drawdown account at only $99 right now for the Labor Day sale. And you're only allowed to trade up to 5 micros. And then once you're funded, then you can trade 10 micros or 1 mini. And then they keep increasing it as you show consistency and profitability of how many you can trade. I haven't announced the winner yet, I met. That was talking about the Blue Sky Trading Contest. Although, if you do win the Blue Sky contest, that would qualify you for the account you need to get in on the trading contest if you don't already have a Blue Sky. Does Blue Sky offer coffee? I'm sure if you ask Josh, he might have some coffee. Oh, okay, I gotcha, Ahmed. I gotcha. Yeah, the static growth account for 99 bucks, I would definitely recommend it. That might be the best static currently being offered right now. Yes, you would have to enter Ace, and to win, you just need to have the highest amount at the end of the month. You know, have gained the most on the account. Yeah, and right now they're saying that discount only runs till Tuesday. Now Josh has a habit of just letting things run and not really announcing that they're extending it. So I don't know if that'll happen this time, especially this is their biggest discount ever as well. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I apologize if I'm talking too fast. And we are rising up. That was a blue candle, but it was below several moving averages and VWAPs. I didn't take it. Yeah, Chef actually made the suggestions somewhat of for that growth account to Josh at Blue Sky, and it kind of developed from there. He doesn't get any credit for it, but yeah, I know that he was part of that process. Tradovate, I mean, I haven't had any problem with Tradovate. It seems very stable on everything that's not Top Step, and I haven't had any problem with Top Step either. So I'm thinking they're getting their stuff straightened out. Am I definite about that? No, but I haven't noticed any issues. We're long. 2 micros, not a big trade here. Ooh, nice little burst. Can it get up to my target at 601? Very top of this candle over here. We're at 586 now. We're almost back up to 600, Chef. We're at 588. ES back up to 50. I'm sorry, 45.50. Dow rising again to 34,995. Isn't that your dream, Ace, to be a barefoot girl trading from the 120th floor? So September 1st, has anyone ordered anything pumpkin spice yet? Great job, Family Channel. Oh, looks like this is turning against me now. Still staying above the 100, but yeah, I don't like that. We're gonna jump out here. No, never mind. I was gonna say if it gets back down to the moving at the 20 or the VWAP, I was gonna jump out, but I like this. This candle I did not like at all. Usually that's a good reversal sign. Wow, Ace. Oh, right back. It's getting beaten back down at the same level there. 591, 592. I can just see the message now. Please stop advertising Blue Sky on your stream. They're harassing my chat workers. Okay. Uh, I don't know if Blue Sky is the same as Top Step, RJ or Ace. I'm sorry, Ace. But with Top Step, they're not allowed to trade while they're working. They have to. They can only trade when they're not actively work on the clock. Hey, give me a minute on that uh, family channel. I'll look that up as soon as I'm out for this trade. It's different between Tradovate and Rhythmic. I know that, so I gotta look it up. It depends which platform. I have videos up, by the way, comparing the commissions of every one of the major futures props. If only I remember what I did with those. I'm gonna. mm, I was just gonna say I was gonna kill it, then it popped back up some. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Can I get above that top of those candles? So, Blue Sky Rhythmic is $1 round turn on the micros, and on Tradovate it's $1.74 round turn. Ah, back down. So it could not break there. Let's put our target there to where this keeps going to and see if we can get something out of this. Yeah, trading micros here, I'm getting ripped off. Nope. Rejected again there. Yep, now we're out. So small loss. We're down to 130 on the day now. My real name is Brian. Ah, figures. Look at that. It jumped out, thinking it was coming back down. Watch it go to my target now. You might hear me scream. You know, this setup, 3 straight candles with big wicks to the top. I thought for sure it was going to finally break down, and it didn't. We're back to my original entry. This is why you should never move your stop. This chat is getting disturbing, guys. Now it is pulling back. Okay, so now I did make a good decision of getting out when I did. Doing the contest first, then, okay, fine. Let's go to the contest. Let me find the window. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah, we never had that conversation before here. We saved that for the 2-year anniversary. So anyway. Well, you know what? Still would not have stopped me out. So we'll keep an eye on that. But here, let me see if we can figure out how to pick a winner. Let me first make sure I'm not giving away any information I'm not supposed to. There we go. Thanks, John. I appreciate that, my friend. So let's see. One winner unpicked. Let's see here. See what happens when I click that. Draw winner. Hey, that seems easy. Oh, wait, hold on. What were the invalid inactions? None. Never mind. Oh, I gotta upgrade to see that. Never mind. Delete all. Yeah. Okay, now we'll draw the winner. One winner to draw. The winner is, I have no idea. I don't know this person. If you're here, let me know. If not, I think it somehow lets you know. Joseph Nyhouse. Oh, let me get that email address off the screen. Oops. Didn't realize it was going to show me there. The email address. I'll have to blur that out. Sorry, Joseph, if you're here. I'll definitely. Oh, chill. No one's going to be banned. Oh, well, though sometimes Ace accidentally bans people. No, I never made it that you have to be in the stream. I did think about that, but I'm assuming it definitely notifies people. I found his Twitter. So he'll get notified somehow. And then, so that's the winner. Sorry, guys. I will try and see if I can get Blue Sky to do this more often. So, let me check my charts here. So it's still in to stop me out. But it still can't decide. This has been very choppy. Now, okie dokie. That would not be fair. Especially since I've already announced it like live on stream. Yeah, Robin said if anyone wants to do a Zoom call where more people could talk, we can do that. So let me know if there's any interest in that. Hello, guys. Am I big enough? So I prefer not to make myself any bigger. And now it would have stopped me out. So hey, good. Hey, everybody. So 2 years. uh, no OnlyFans today, Ace. Sorry, but you'll be the first to know when I launch one. So 2 years, guys. It's been amazing. You know, I hate the red wall. It's not my choice. This is one of the reasons I don't actually show my face much, is because I hate my background. I'm sitting in the kitchen. But look at that. It would have stopped me out and then went my way. Anyway. Yeah, I always wear glasses. I took them off because I think I look better without them, but I can't see anything. So if I'm actually trying to read the chat, I can't. See, I look better without them, but I need them. I need new glasses. These are like 8 years old. Thanks, John. So this is like normally this and right around Christmas is about the only time I show my face. But anywho, I show my face just as basically so people can put a face with the name. I've been told that my videos would probably get more traction if I did show my face more regularly. That there's a more personable action to it or whatever. And I also, the fact that I've seen GIFs of trades by Matt on Discord where people make GIFs of him, and that kind of scares me. I don't want to see me in a GIF or GIF or however you pronounce it. But 2 years. I still can't believe I've been doing this for 2 years. I can't believe I ever started doing it still. But the community that thanks, Ace. The community that has come from this has been incredible. Obviously there's been ups and downs. I'm still not a consistent trader, but the friendships I've made here on the stream and the Discord have been amazing, and the fact that so many people have gone out of their way to help me, not with just trading advice, but I've had people that have coded for me, coded automated strats for me absolutely free, offered to help me in other ways, sent me an electric blanket when it was cold, etc. The great people that are here. Would I love for the channel to be somewhat bigger? Yeah, I mean we've seen attendance die down some in the last few months, but I am very happy and thankful for all of your support. And you know during the rough days, there's been a couple times I've kind of lost it. Um, you've always kept support for me, and I really appreciate that. Um, and I'm here staring. Instead of looking at the camera, I'm staring at the chart, but even though it's not really doing anything. But it really means a lot to me. I've always been kind of a loner, shy guy, and all that. And but this has never, since I started streaming, this has never been a journey of loneliness, journey of solitude. It's been an amazing amount of support and friendships. And I do hope, we talk about having a meetup sometime, and I do hope in the future that can happen. I'm not in a position right now to make that happen. I need to make some major changes in my life. And I've actually been thinking about maybe making a part of the channel or a new channel documenting the changes I need to make. Obviously, you can see I make sure nothing below my shoulders gets seen because I'm a huge guy, huge, and I need to lose a lot of weight. I'm thinking about maybe documenting that journey as well, trying to get some accountability. Thank you, Luis. Thank you, JC. Hey, Juan. See ya. Thank you for being here. But I've been thinking about trying because here's the thing: if I ever become, and I gotta stop saying if, when I become a successful trader, I need to get healthy so I can enjoy that. So I've been thinking about maybe documenting that journey as well, still going around in my mind. Actually, Ace, the talk has been having that meetup out in Texas. Robin, aka For Money, has offered her place. She has a huge house that gets regularly attacked by cardinals. Um, but so anyway, maybe that would be something that I do here, talking about the struggles I have outside of trading. Um, but now back to trading, I really feel like I'm close. I honestly, if I hadn't started streaming, I think I might have quit by now. I think there would have been a time I would have quit, but I every morning I get up and I feel like I have an obligation to the people that I still can't believe that people want to watch me. That's I've always dealt with low self-esteem, so it's like the fact that there's at least a couple millionaires here. Sid's not here today, but I know Sid Chase is a millionaire. John DeFore is a bank vice president. You know, and there's so many others that are so successful already in life and they want to listen to what I have to say or watch me trade. It just still blows my mind. And I mean, obviously I've stuck this out now 2+ years and I feel like I am just about there. But and I think part of that is the fact that, except for some people, there have been people that have called me the worst trader I've ever watched and things like that. For the most part, I never felt judged by how I was trading, even if it was totally against the way certain people would trade or how trading was. I've never felt judged by any of the core group, and I think that's what's another thing that's kept me here because obviously I get really uncomfortable if I start feeling judged, and it's just been so supportive. No matter how many bad trades I take, no one, you know, points out how bad that was. You didn't win, Ahmed. Not unless your name is, I even forget the person's name. But you didn't win, sorry. I don't recognize the name. I don't know. So it's someone from Twitter. Um, so this has all meant so much to me. The friendships I've made, and even I mean, obviously, I will become profitable. I will become consistent. But even if for some reason I never do, the friendships I've made from all of you is valuable more to me than the potential profits. I've had so much help with this along the way, just getting it started, getting it built. You know, Gabs from E2T is the one that helped me figure out how to start streaming. CFT's provided so much support over the time. The Discord group that has helped build the Discord and kept me sane at times, and Matt and Juan who have coded for me. It's just been wow. Thank you very much, Crypticon. I appreciate that very, very much. You are awesome. This has kept me going. These friendships, and you know, it's probably kept me sane in a lot of other ways too. So that's basically, I guess, what I wanted to say. I had no idea what I was gonna say when I just did this because I decided to only do the whole cam thing because I did it last year, and I think it was even RJ that asked, "Are you gonna do that again this year?" So I said, I guess. So what are you, Crypt? So are you. I really appreciate it. And it's we will continue on, and hopefully in the next month or two, we're gonna do one of these again where I tell you all that there's gonna be something to celebrate, and you'll see me take my first withdrawal. That's the goal. Absolutely, Ace. I feel the same way, man. You know, I love that we can celebrate successes together as well as failures. I love that YouTube channel is not just a whole bunch of rah rah about big wins and never talking about the losses, that it's real, that it's nobody's trying to grandstand that they're just the greatest trader in the world. Well, at least no one since we got rid of G-Man. Oops. Um, you know, it's just a great community, and that's what we're going to continue. And I don't care if I become the greatest trader in the world. I don't care if I start making $22 million a day. That's the way it's always going to be. We're going to continue going through this, our successes and our failures together, for as long as I can continue doing it. And like I said, I got to get myself healthy so I can continue doing this for a long time. So, you know, definitely just thank you, everybody. You are all awesome. And, you know, it's just amazing that will um, that this has been going for 2 years and it's going to go many more. Absolutely, John. And that might mean might need to be here for a few more years for both of us. I just don't see the Phillies beating the Braves this year, but we'll see. So I'm not sure I have anything else to really say. Um, Besides, like I said, just thank you to all of you for making this what it's been and what it's continuing to be. You're very welcome. Now, the only thing you guys got to promise is I keep losing people. Like I don't know what happens to people. I hate that. Like I have no idea. Like there was someone here that at the start of the stream that disappeared. That was here every day and just fell off the planet. Now I haven't seen Andrew Gibson in over a month either. There's other people. If you're gonna end up leaving the community or anything, and I mean, unless you can't tell me, but like you got hit by a bus or something, at least let me know because I hate losing track of people. Thank you, RJ. I really appreciate that. But yeah, I hate losing track of people. It's always been my main thing about the internet. Losing track. It's so easy to lose track of people. So if you're going to go away, let me know. And I guess that's about it. So I guess I can turn the camera back off. And now you probably won't see me again till like Christmas. I'm not even sure when the last day before Christmas is. Where's my cat? I'm gonna assume he's sleeping, so I don't see him. uh, Tell you what, I mean, the webcam's always hooked up. I just never turn it on. So next time he pops up on the table, I'll quickly grab the webcam. And maybe once I'm in a better, like I'm not sitting in the middle of the kitchen to do all this and have a better background, maybe the webcam will be on more often. But that's in the future. I can post a pic in the Discord. Yeah, I can find a pic of them. Yeah, I can do that. I have a couple on my phone. I have um, I have one where I attempted to put a Santa hat on him. That didn't go well. So, Face Fridays. CFT, I'll do it if you do it. Uh, uh, you mean showing my face? Luis? Well, maybe. Like I said, I don't want to end up on any GIFs like Trades by Matt is. Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding with you, CFT. I know. But yeah, so we'll see. If I had like a green screen behind me, that might make it better too. But we missed an excellent short here. Chef, if you're still listening or watching, it's back down to 530. Um, Hold on, Ace. I think I can send it into Discord. I think it's Discordable. Hold on. Discordable? I know I've seen it in the Earn the Trade Discord. Yeah, there we go. Ah, what did I do? There it is. In the Discord, Ace, general chat. Yes, give me your Discord name and I'll do it manually. Oh wait, I think I see you. Are you nameless sociopath? I'm scared now. How do we go from family channel to sociopath? Is that you? uh, yep, I found you. Yep, that's you. I see you. I have. I have. Oh, I have verified you. I do want to get some more stuff going at Discord. Get that more active. Haven't found time for everything yet, but working on it. Get that more active. Get the social media more active. Create a community that's not just here for 3 hours a day, but can be around whenever someone wants community. By the way, I'm going to move myself here. Look at this short behind my head. Off that purple candle. Would have been beautiful. So that's that. 2 years. Maybe next year we'll have more prizes to give away. Have a big celebration. For 3 years. think that was Chef's short level too. I think Chef's working. So definitely appreciate everybody here today. 26 likes is the most we've gotten in a while. And I think this is like the sweet spot. You know, about 20 to 30 people. Good people. You know, that one group that was here that was toxic that left a few months ago. I'm not upset. They made it seem like it was so horrible that they left that, you know, my subscription count went down by like 50. But I'm glad they're gone. Right. I've always said I don't want to ever be like Trades by Matt where I can't communicate with everybody in the chat. I don't ever want a community like that. At that point, I would probably need to go to like subscriptions where I just allow the people I want to chat. Thank you, Burrow. So we are finishing today up 130. For the week, I think it was slightly red. Let me look as soon as it loads. It was up 140 on Monday, down 323 Tuesday, down 133 Wednesday, up $11 Thursday, and up 131 Friday. So yeah, slightly red week, but that's okay. And starting Tuesday, remember no stream Monday. Starting Tuesday, I'll trade the contest account with Blue Sky. We just dipped back down to 506. So it's kind of bounced on that same area twice. Well, you're on the right account, Ace, because you have two different accounts in that Discord. I'm not even sure how you did that. But there are two Dustin Echoes. But okay, anyway, well here, let me just blow up the Discord. And then this down here, oops, is Trades by Matt. Have a great weekend, IMAD. Thank you for being here. Let's see. You have one account here. And then you have one account here. Hey, there's no fake oxes here today. Good. Yeah, he's not. He loves using a no-stop strategy. So I'm going to cut the camera now. We're almost done for the day. If I can figure out where the camera is. There it is. Have a great weekend, Crypticon. Thank you again, my friend. Yeah, he often uses no stops. He'll go deep into trades, and then if it comes back to him, everyone will, all his fanboys will start yelling diamond hands, blah blah blah. He blows up multiple accounts. Thanks, JC. You as well. Excuse me 1 second. that, guys. I'm back. Uh, Ace? I don't know. Have a great weekend, Robin. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of this community. Excuse me one second. So, and this is another short signal here. I'm gonna take that on earn a trade if it stays. What do you mean? Where did I go? Can't you hear me? Oh, you mean to my face? Yeah, I turned the cam off. Oh, that's a big one. 31 down. That's still great. Family channel. As long as you're using the same trading style that you use on your non-demo account. The other reason, I'm always scared to go on stream is just, show my face on stream is, I'm just like, hopefully I don't like pick my nose or something. Or maybe I'll show my face more often. Hey, maybe I'll even show my face in a more controlled setting on some of my non-live videos. Maybe I'll get you guys to actually watch my non-live videos because they need more views. I took this short on the earn a trade. Three micros. Have a great weekend, family channel. See you next week. Yep. Looks like it's turning around on me there. It was kind of a dangerous take because of yeah, it's outside the bands. We're gonna cut it there. And ace literally means run. Thank you, Ace. Thank you for helping to make this community what it is. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next week. Remember, no stream on Monday. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. Did not realize that was still on. What did I do? There we go. Here, looking at my YouTube views. uh, Hold on. They got the name here somewhere. Somewhere. Yeah. Oh, here. Someone by the name of Joseph Niehaus. I'm hoping that I don't know if it sends an email or I gotta send an email. I'll send an email, but I don't know who it is. It's someone from Twitter. Joseph Niehaus was the winner. I guess I could send him a DM on Twitter as well, maybe. Oh, thank you, CFT. You would think that they would. Well, at least they gave me the email. Yeah, I figured that I would need to. Uh, I thought I just needed to give Josh the info at Blue Sky, but and again, thank you to CFT. He's the one that helped me set up this giveaway in Gleam and all that. He's always um, very free with his time to help me out when I have questions. You know, you spelled it wrong twice, Snow Ace. If he is in here, he's probably like, these guys are jerks. So we have reached the end of our time. I do want to thank you all for making today successful and fun. 2-year streaming anniversary. Hopefully, many more years to come. Yeah, I'll see if he's willing. I found him on Twitter, so I don't know. I'm not going to bombard his Twitter. So, I hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. It's been a fun day, and let's continue the fun next week. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart, and have a great weekend. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.